So this is my setup so far. I'm doing just modeling. You can see this SolidWorks modeling. It's kind of complicated stuff. Um, as you can see, the mouse here, click it. You can rotate it this way, using the isometric view. Look at that. Damn, beautiful cut. You want to give it some color, you can go right here. Click this one. That one didn't really. But anyways, yeah, that's kind of setup one. That's kind of like the screen where the magic happens, and then here is the brains, the laptop, the MSI with the beautiful keyboard with a bunch of stuff and projects and stuff that just didn't make the cut. My 3D printer right there. Damn, that's a 3D printer right there. I'm waiting on getting this certificate on this program to design machines and things like that using this. And then there is a microcontroller over here somewhere. I'm not sure where the microcontroller is. Where's the microcontroller? Let me turn on the light. I can see the setup a little better. Damn, that is beautiful. Holy smokes. Yeah. So then I want to see the. Here's the. Just more tools and things like that. But where is that microcontroller? I had this microcontroller. These are 3D print spools. You see the white here, and then you see the black there, and then you see the red there. So because I have a very simple 3D printer, it can only print one color at once. So yeah, this is a project I'm working on with like a thing like that. And then here's my toolbox. Here is my toolbox. See Pablo's caliper here. So this is what it is to be a good engineer. Not just collecting a paycheck, right? We're not just here to collect a paycheck. We're here to be a good engineer. So this is kind of like my pride and joy. Got a bunch of things. DC motor here. Wow, DC motor here. And then this project, I've been working on it for a long time. You see here, like a pedal here. So you click the pedal here, and with these two batteries, it's like a battery somewhere in there. See, I have the microcontroller somewhere in there. Anyways, this video is getting too long. We're already got 5 minutes, but this thing, long story short, this thing is the brain of the robot. This thing is the manufacturing of the robot. This is the engineering of the robot, and this is the computer. You know. So it's been a project ongoing project for a long time. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see how far we get. Because we've been procrastinating a lot of procrastination. But finally, we're moving without waiting for the 2025 to get here. So yeah, that was just a little video of what I'm doing. I'm thinking about starting an engineering YouTube channel or something like that. So I'm kind of just rehearsing and practicing. But yeah, so just a quick run through of kind of how this machine is going to work. I don't know if I have the, you know what, let's set it up. I think it should have enough battery. So here's this DC motor. It is, you can see here, let me just put it in focus. Great Artisan. So Great Artisan DC 12 volt, 100 RPM. So 100 RPM is very slow for my application, but it's too expensive and I didn't want to get more. So you see there. Now because I didn't really have my my SolidWorks skills really good. My SolidWorks skills were not really good. They're still not really good. I'm still working on that. That's why I had this cardboard and very makeshift thing. You can see probably the inside with this beautiful knob here. And I actually showed this to the U.S. Air Force last year. No, this year. I think it was June I showed it. I went to a career fair and I took this and everybody was so impressed. And see the knob here. But I didn't want to work for the U.S. Air Force. What the hell? So definitely, kings, know your worth. You know, engineers of the planet, know your worth. Believe in yourself. Never stop believing in yourself. Again, this is not much. You know, it's a tiny project, but I've come a long way since engineering school. You know, still not there, yo. Still not there. But let's see. Now, the next thing that we need to find is the is the battery in here? I don't even know where the battery is in. And then this, you know, you gotta know your circuits and things like that. And also here it is. I think it was. Yeah, see, this was U.S. Air Force recruiting tool. It says, build, future, and maintain of past 412 Civil Engineer Squadron. So that's pretty cool. That's a little thing there. And then, so another thing I was doing, I was working for this company called Carmen Space and Defense. A beautiful company. I love the company. I got fired. I got fired from there. Complicated story, but I got fired from there. You know, which is a good thing. They actually fired me for a good reason. You know, because I wasn't really an inspector. I was like, you're too good for this job. Quit. You know, something like that. And it was, I don't know where my battery is at. It might already be inside because it's kind of heavy. And I don't want to open it. So another way to know if there's a battery in there is by connecting the plus and the minus with these alligator clips. So this is the plus and the minus of this, you know, basic circuits, alligator clips. So here's that. You got one here. And then you have the other one here. Again, one is the positive and the other one is the negative. You know, like a basic normal battery. Okay. Now we should have some rotation on the shaft of the motor. The shaft is this little thing on the top. Damn, this is hard to okay, but that looks pretty decent. That looks pretty decent. So yeah. And of course, here's my caliper. So for anybody that's watching this video, if you want to be an engineer, these are the basic tools. You also need a caliper. So this is Pablo's caliper. Let me show you real quick. So this is $20 or something on Amazon. Beautiful caliper. So a caliper, what is a caliper, right? A caliper, shit, it's dead. But anyways, a caliper, it just measures things. So once you get the measurements using this thing, you put them on the program SolidWorks, and then you 3D print it there, and then you bring it here to reality, and then bam, hopefully it works. Now, what does this machine do, right? What does this machine do? Well, I do have this on my resume, so obviously I have to back it up. And eventually, I'm gonna make a portfolio, and my portfolio is gonna be really impressive. Hopefully, not right now. I wouldn't hire myself, honestly. Well, who knows, actually. So this thing is supposed to be a dispenser. So this shaft is tied to this, and then this thing goes back and forth, rotates, something like that. Let me pause the video and let me connect the thing, and I'll be right back. So